My name's Sam March, I'm a criminal barrister at 9 Kings Bench Walk and I did the BPC at the University of Law's Bloomsbury campus. I decided to pursue a career as a barrister because I wanted to do something meaningful, something impactful and something engaging. I wanted to be at the front line of the causes that I care about, and for me, that's achieving justice. Social justice, criminal justice, environmental justice and animal justice. I developed a set of skills through a previous career that involved working with words, being persuasive and working with people. And it seemed obvious to me that the best way to pair the skills that I had with the kind of impact that I wanted to make was to spend my life in court. What I found really practically helpful about the bar course at the University of Law is that all of the tutors were either currently in practice or had very recent experience of actual practice, whether at the bar or as solicitor advocates. And what this meant is that they're able to bring otherwise abstract or dry passages from textbooks to life with war stories and genuine examples of what it's like to be doing this stuff in practice. The University of Law really encourages its students to get involved in things like mooting and mock trials. When I was on the GDL at the Moorgate campus, I got involved in all of the internal competitions that were organised. These were things not just like mooting, not just mock trials, but also negotiations competitions, client care competitions and things like that. On the bar course, I was an advocacy scholar, and so my role went from participating in organisations to actually organising them. I was responsible for organising the internal round of the UK Centre for Animal Law's moot, and I stayed in touch with them since being in practice, and I now sometimes write their moot problems or even sit as a judge in the final rounds. What really sets the University of Law apart is its career service, and in particular the Future Pupil programme. For me, that meant having meetings from week 1 of my GDL, setting out a clear route with all of the deadlines, applications, scholarships, work experience that I needed to get in and when I needed to get them in. And I followed that right up to day 1 of pupillage, and I think that really made the difference, starting the BPTC with an offer of pupillage already secure. Whilst I was on the bar course, the University of Law brought out a sign-up app, and that was really helpful for practicing for some of the multiple choice type exams, because it was filled with questions that are very like the questions that you'll be asked in exams like civil and criminal litigation. And being able to sit on a bus or on a train and practice those during my commute was really helpful. The bar course is a vocational course. It only really qualifies you to do one career, and that's to be a barrister. It's a significant investment of your time and your resources, so you want to make sure that you're getting prepared early and that you commit to a university that's going to make sure that that course actually leads you into being a barrister, and that means prioritising university with a good career service and a practical course.